If you just purchase your domain name and hosting from Siteground, then you're going to see this page here. Go ahead and click Proceed to Customer Area. And then it's going to give you a couple options to choose from to set up your website. Don't worry about anything. You'll just want to click the Don't Need Help Now button because I'm going to show you how to set up WordPress on your website. Okay, and then go ahead and scroll to the bottom and click Confirm. And then on this page here, you don't have to worry about any of this. Just go ahead and click this box and then Complete Setup. And this is going to take you to your SiteGround dashboard area where we will be installing WordPress. If you don't see that page, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to access your customer dashboard on Siteground. So what you're going to want to do is go to siteground.com and then click Login. And then here you'll want to enter your username and password that you created when purchasing your hosting. And then click Sign In. So either way you choose to get to your SiteGround user area is fine. It doesn't really matter. We just need to get to the SiteGround user area where we can install WordPress. When you log into your SiteGround user area, it will look similar to this one. So go ahead and click My Accounts tab. And this is where you can manage your domain name and your hosting. So at the top, you'll see your domain name. Mine is creatingthebestwebsite.com. And then under Type, you can see the hosting that you're signed up for. I am signed up for the startup account. And then it gives you the option to renew or upgrade your hosting, but I'll show you how to do that in a different video. For today, we're going to want to go to cPanel because that's where we can install WordPress. So don't worry about this. You'll just click the Proceed button. And then this is the cPanel area of our website. Then you'll want to scroll down under Auto Installers and you'll want to choose WordPress. So click on that. And then go ahead and scroll down and choose Install Now. And here under Choose the Protocol, you'll just keep that the same. If we had multiple websites, they would be listed here, but I only have one website, so I'm just going to keep it on creatingthebestwebsite.com. And under Directory, this is if you wanted to install WordPress on somewhere other than your root domain, like if you wanted to have it on creatingthebestwebsite.com/home, you would enter it there, but most people aren't going to want to do that, so just leave that blank. And then under site name, just enter your site name here. I'm going to put Creating the Best Website, but you can always change your site name and your description later on in WordPress. So don't worry about getting this perfect because you can always change it if you change your mind. And under site description, I'm just going to put how to make a website. Scroll down until you see admin account area, and this is where you're going to make a username and password to log into the WordPress area of your website. So pick whatever you'd like for your username, and then for your password, just make sure you choose a strong password so that no one can guess it and log into your website. But make sure you write this down where you can remember your username and password because you're going to need it to log into your website each time you want to make changes. And under admin email, you can either keep this as admin or you can change it. I'm going to do Amber. And then scroll down and select your language. I'm going to keep it on English. Don't worry about changing anything else. And this box, just keep it checked and click Install. Okay, so it will show you the progress of your WordPress install. It does take about 3 to 4 minutes, so just make sure you be patient and just don't click off the website until it's been installed all the way. Okay, so it says congratulations, the software was installed successfully. And then it shows your domain name and also your admin URL, which you'll be using later on. If you click your domain, it will take you to your actual website, which is live and on the internet, which is super exciting, but it's not very pretty yet. So we're going to have to make changes later on, and I'll make more videos and show you exactly how you can make your website look just how you want it to. But it's pretty exciting that we have an actual website up on the internet. So click out of that. And this here is your admin URL, which takes you to the back end of your website. So you can copy this and save it somewhere if you'd like. This is where you're going to log in every time that you want to make changes to your website. So if we go ahead and click on that, it will take us right to the admin area. And the first time we'll already be logged in since we just did our install, but every other time that you go to the admin area, you'll actually have to use your username and password that you created to log into your website. Okay, it might take a few minutes, but then it will look like this the first time you log in. Just go ahead and click Start Now. And don't worry about all this. I'm going to show you how we're going to get templates and make your website later. So click Continue and click Continue again. And just go ahead and click Exit. Okay, so this is your back end area of your website. This is your dashboard in WordPress, where we're going to make changes and make your website look perfect. One thing that I forgot to cover in the last video is how to verify your domain through Siteground. You'll want to make sure you do this, because if not, they'll suspend your domain name and take down your website. So as soon as you purchase your domain, Siteground will send you an email, and that email will have a link that you'll click to verify your domain. You'll have 14 days to do this, so make sure you don't forget. I'm going to show you what the email looks like. So this is what the email looks like, and it will have your domain name, and then it will have a link. So you'll just want to go ahead and click on that link to verify your domain. After I purchased creatingthebestwebsite.com, I got busy making videos and doing other stuff, and I forgot to go in and click the verification link. And then the next time that I logged in to my SiteGround user area, this is the message I saw. So what I did is I went to my website, and it had already actually been taken down. And so what I had to do was go back into my email and click that verification link and wait a couple hours, and my website was back up. But I don't want you guys to have to go through all that trouble, so just make sure that you verify your website from the beginning.